Hi, my name is Yufeng Wang. It's very happy to be here to represent myself. I come from China. I got my bachelor's degree in graphic design, and now I'm studying web design in Academy of Art. The reason why I changed my major from graphic design to web design is I think web design become more and more important in our life, so I changed my major from graphic design to web design. Now I'm very love this change because I think web design is very interesting. And now I'm focusing on the UI and UX design, and I'm looking forward to bring a better user experience and user interface design to users. Next, I would like to show my portfolio. So first, I would like to talk a little bit about my logo. This is my logo. My logo combined by the three my initials and the shapes of diamond. You can see here it looks like Y, F, and W. So these three letters combine my logo. I like this logo pretty much. And this is my business card. I only use two colors in my business card, they're black and white, so it is also very simple and clean. So next is mobile apps. This is one of the project I did, which is called Xtrain. The Xtrain is a translation application, kind of like a translation application. The reason why I did this application is sometimes when we use the translation tool to translate something, we will get a very strange translation. For example, one day I used Google to translate a very traditional Chinese food. The translation I got is chicken without sex. The chicken without sex is a very strange translation. But sometimes when we use a translation tool to translate something, they just translate something word by word, so we will get kind of like a chicken without sex. It's very strange translation. And there's another problem here. That is, a lot of users use translation tool every day. For example, 200 million people use Google Translate every day, but there are no any communication between these users. So what I want to do is to make a communication between these users. So after this, the translation tool is not just a translation tool, it can be a bridge connecting two languages. For example, the native English speaker who is learning Chinese and native Chinese speaker who is learning English. When these users create account, the application will put these users in one group automatically, and all of these users are able to ask questions in this group. So this is a fast way to find the right person to answer the questions. Okay, uh, this is about the UI design. So after the user upload the questions, other users are able to see their questions. If they slide to the left, they can do the quickly reply. If they slide to the right, they can go to the application. They can check the details of the question. They can ask questions or do something. And here's another UI design about the home page, about login and account. Okay, next, this is the application which is called Outdoor. The Outdoor is an application for people who like the outdoor sports. So this application is able to record travels or share users' travel experience on Twitter or Facebook or something. And the user also able to find some very good suggestions before they prepare to go out. Okay, here's the UI design. Here's the home page. Can click here and go to the photo and the detail page. Here's something else UI design. Here's about the slide bar. You can see here there are a lot of very good function here. There's a map, calendar, and tours. Here's about the account. Okay, this is the promotional website I did for this application for user download this application. Okay, so next part is the application I did, which is called Flower ABC. The Flower ABC is for children. This application is able to help children to understand different colors and shapes through the interactive games. You can see here is the home page. You can click this logo to go go to the level page. There are level 1, 2, 3, such as the different game, kind of like a simple to difficult game. Here's the detail of the different game. You can see here is for organize the words. Here is for help children to understand different colors. Here's the icon I did. You can see here the level icon, the fruit icon, the word, the letter icon. Okay, next I would like to show my advanced digital image. In this part, I would like to show some of my Photoshop skills. This is the poster I did, and here is some other work. Here's the invisibles. You can see here in this photo, the all persons are disappeared. And here, I like this project pretty much. When I did this project, I took a lot photo about myself first, and then I combined all of myself in one photo. It looks pretty fun. And some photographers. I'm a video designer, but I also can do the photographers. Here's some photo of photographers I took, and the motion graphics. Okay, here's the animate text to back in black. Okay, next I would like to show some of this video. Okay. So next, I'd like to show some of the book design I did. This is a book I made in 2009. I made this book after a very terrible earthquake in China, which is Wenchuan earthquake. There are a lot of people died in this earthquake. So after this earthquake, I made this book. And you can see here I use this photo in the cover. You can see here is the flower on the runs. So I want to use these flowers to imply the hope. And you can see here there's the fly page. Usually the book only have one fly page, but in this book I use two. The first fly page, there's nothing on this page, they're only black. So I would like to use this page to imply that heavy hurt. Here's another book I did in 2009, which is called Blue Johnson. Okay, so the next I would like to show some of the newspaper layout design. Here's something I did in Anhui Daily, and here's another newspaper I did in Beijing Times. Okay, so thank you for your time.